Okay, now the last videos that I made were in Hebrew. I want to make one quickly in English. This is about a half an hour after the Hebrew video was made, approximately. And you see that the conditions have changed completely from very stormy to very calm. There is no damage from hours and hours of heavy rain and even hail. No damage. Let's take a look at those nice little trees down there. Not a one out of place. Not a one. The road is not flooded. I see that they did take the horses in, which is good because it was raining hard and it was hailing. No damage. I'm going to say this very, very plainly. Nature reflects us and expresses what we have inside of ourselves. If we experience nature as being destructive, it means that we are destructive. All of the denial in the world won't help you. Nature says the things that you don't want to hear. Oh, look at that lovely flock of birds down there. Sweet. Wow. What is this sweetness? Here, look, this is sweet. There is no reason in the world why the forces of nature should do any damage. I'm going to say that again. There is no reason in the world why the forces of nature should do any damage. We experience damage. The problem is with us, not with nature. Global heating, global warming, global cooling, and sunspots, and AI Atlas, and not all of that is nonsense. None of that has anything to do with what you are experiencing. You are experiencing what you have inside of yourself. And if it ain't pretty, then your homework is cut out for you.